Technopreneurship is the latest buzzword in the field of entrepreneurship. I hope you know what is entrepreneur. Let me tell you what is an entrepreneur and who is an entrepreneur. An entrepreneur is an individual who takes the risk to start their own business based on idea they have or a product they have created while assuming most of the risk and reamping most of the rewards of the business. After knowing this, you might have understood what is technopreneurship. So, technopreneurship are the entrepreneurs who start and manage their own technology business, that is, technology based business. In their business, technology will be a part or it will be completely there to enhance the business. That is what technopreneurship. So, technopreneurship involves the combination of technology and entrepreneurship. So, the technopreneurship is a fusion of two words, that is technology and entrepreneurship. It is a kind of entrepreneurship in the field of technology. That is, the one who is using technology in his business. It involves tech savvy, creative, innovative individuals who have a knack of taking a calculated risk, unlike entrepreneurship, which can sometimes be one person show. Because in entrepreneurship, there will be only one person who will have complete idea about the business. He'll be starting the business, and once he started and gradually increased, no, and another person will also join by hand, and then they will also increase, like they will grow the business. Whereas in technopreneurship, no, there will be at least as a group they'll be starting the business as a group to enhance the business. So how will they can motivate a team of individuals? That is, the success of technopreneur depends on how well they can motivate a team of individuals. Okay, they'll be like a team. You might have heard about Byju's. You might have heard about Simply Learn. Okay, so these are all the best example for technopreneurship. They have used technology in their business. Okay, they'll be like a group. They're not a single person to start this. So success of any technopreneurship startup involves a group of dedicated people with a different skill set and resources working hand in hand. They have a different skill set. For example, if you are supposed to start a business, okay, in technology, so you should know something in the technology, whereas your friend also know something in the technology. So they have various idea on how to develop it. Okay, so a technopreneur starts with a new idea. They have some new idea. This idea has the potential to change the way society has been traditionally functioning. Okay, so they create a new product or come up with a solution to some problem using technology. Science and technology are the hallmarks of the technopreneurship. There are certain critical areas that a technopreneur needs to focus on. It can be the information and technology sector, electronics, biotechnology, high-tech products, technology used in delivering essential services, and firms where the primary mission is technology. It might be any field. It might be of any field. Okay, but the primary importance is given to the technology. We will discuss about the importance of technopreneurship. Okay, the very first one is creating employment opportunity. Any new startup will require dedicated and hard work employees. So technopreneurship creates a new jobs and can help our nation tackle the unemployment problem to a significant extent. Technological advancement. Technopreneurs are innovative individuals. Along with a pool of employees, they will strive to improve the existing technology. It will in turn lead to the effective utilization of the country's natural resource. The next one is the capital formation. Investment and funding are integral for any startup technopreneurs too. They need investors who can financially assist their startups. These financiers utilize the public savings that lead to the economic growth of the country. And promotion of entrepreneurial mindset. The young generation gets a chance to work with these startups. It promotes equalities in them, like risk taking skills, a strong work ethic, a passion, a creativity, innovation, and many things. These young generations of workers can in the future be successful entrepreneurs by themselves. So these are all the important point why we have to adapt a technopreneurship. How to become a successful technopreneur? A technopreneur often needs to go the extra mile to be successful. Any innovative idea can sound promising, but what matters is the execution, how you are executing, and is that the real cause or real need of the public? That also we have to think. So exploring uncharted territories and being persistent are essential for any technopreneur. The will to never give up, even after failure, is what distinguishes them from the rest of the population. So, these are all the important factors and important thing that any technopreneur should keep in mind. The very first one is build a team. Technopreneurs is the art of combining technological fortitude with entrepreneurial risk skills. A dedicated cadre of support staff is significant for any technopreneurship to be successful. Next one is work on your problem solving skills. Any startup in its formative years is bound to face several hurdles. These can be operational challenges, funding crunch, and regularity hurdles. So, to be successful, a technopreneur needs problem solving skills. The next one is decide on the final strategy. Decision making is another crucial skill that an entrepreneur need to master. After thorough research, weighing on all options, pros and cons, a technopreneur needs to arrive at a decision. They need to select a strategy that is both cost effective and viable in the long run. So these are all the basics of technopreneurship. With this, I just wanted to give a small assignment that you have to do. You have to just go and search. The very first one is who are all the recent technopreneurs in our India. Okay, you can also search that is what is their and what year they have started their business, that is as a technopreneur, and what is the logic behind it, like what idea really improvise and what idea really made them to be a successful technopreneur. So this is the assignment which you have to complete it. You can try this and send it to me. Thank you, take care, bye bye.